One. Hey, welcome back to another podcast episode of the Denial of the Day podcast with Chris. I know you're here somewhere. I can't see you because you're hiding in the
Yep,
back cave.
I'm here. I'm
Oh, there you
here.
are. I can hear you. Welcome, my friend. Hey, we have something important that we need to talk about with the folks today regarding HOAs and property insurance claims. I'll let you start off and then I'm going to bring her home. Tell us what you know and
Yes,
so
yes.
important that HOAs bring in a public insurance adjuster, BellatorClaims.com, at the
Mhm.
beginning of the process of the insurance claim.
Yeah, no, that's a great point. So that's actually one of our biggest specialties is working with HOAs, just
Yeah.
because we've done so many of them, our system is locked down.
Yeah.
So the first thing that we always want to do is just be upfront with the HOA,
Right.
and that's going to start with obviously us reviewing their insurance policies, seeing what that deductible looks like, and then completing our investigation to see, hey, is this even worth filing a claim, and what do those numbers look like?
So let
So,
me just interject there, which is a very important point that you have made.
mhm,
We actually were called on a recent HOA that had filed the claim. Then we got involved about 12 months after the claim was filed, and we're sitting there wondering why was there a claim filed? And now we understand why the insurance company is not paying the claim because there shouldn't have been a claim to be made based on the evidence that we're seeing. We do not want you as an HOA or insured filing a claim that we don't think could be won because it goes against your record as a zero paid claim. And in this case, we basically told the contractor, hey, man, we agree with the insurance company. There just isn't
mhm.
enough damage that we're seeing. And we can't stand here and fight for something that we don't believe in. So go ahead, Chris, continue on.
Yeah, and I think one of our biggest strong suits, that we just learned over the years and years of working with so many of these HOA claims is that we've got
Yeah.
an exceptional system down where communication is top notch. We work as a team with the board members, with the property manager, with the general contractor, setting the correct timelines, deadlines. We're all in it together, but we're
Right.
navigating that ship. That way, the HOA doesn't have to worry about it, or that property manager doesn't have to worry about it as well, because these are complex claims. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Every HOA is a complex claim because there's so many different people involved, so many different moving parts, and you're exactly right. Our Bellator blueprint to help these HOAs has become so well recognized and so well accepted and loved by
Mhm.
these HOA property managers, especially because we take that burden off of them and they know what we're doing. We communicate every other week with these HOAs, let them know, hey, this is what's going on, kind of a high level view. We're meeting the adjuster next Tuesday. Just understand that this is what we're expecting and so on and so forth. But you're absolutely right, man. When you are part of an HOA and you get someone involved too late, you are running out of options. We have dealt with that also recently from storms that happened 2 years ago, and people are trying to pull us in like the last 90 days, and we're just in there going, hey, you guys had almost 2 years to do everything you needed us to do, and none of it was done. We can't complete that in the last 90 days. So the lesson here is get us involved as soon as possible. The sooner you get us involved, the more options you have and the more successful that we can be in our attempt to help you. And just so you know, we win 97 plus percent of the claims we take because we understand what it takes to win the claim.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So,
What else do we need to discuss regarding HOAs and property insurance claims that people should know about?
yeah, I mean, like you said it, you said it spot on. Get us involved sooner than later.
Yeah.
And I get it. It's hard. Board members have their own jobs, they have their own lives, so it's hard to kind of get everyone together because at the end of the day, they're the ones making the decision as well. And so we've just got a smooth system that's tailored towards everyone. That we can keep things moving in a timely fashion matter to where nothing gets slipped. We're not getting close to any deadlines, but again, taking us on in the very beginning. That's what it's all about. We just will navigate that ship and make this a smooth process for all the parties that are involved.
Yeah.
So,
And all of our interests are directly aligned with the property management company, the HOA board, the general contractor, and Bellator Claims. We're all fighting for the same thing. And just like Chris said, when we're on the same team, moving in that direction, we're an unstoppable force. So we want to help you if you're a part of an HOA board or a property management company that's looking to make an insurance claim related to the property. If it's smoke and fire, hail and wind, ice and water, whatever it might be that you are filing a claim on, getting us involved sooner will definitely
Mm.
help you. BellatorClaims.com. Let us know how we can help you. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one.
All right, bye everyone.